Good morning, Anthony here from Imagine Your Dream. We're here for another weekend of camping. We're at Darlington Provincial Park, which, as you can see, this is on the shores of Lake Ontario. Not too far from our house, actually, probably like 20 minutes. So doing some fall camping here in Canada, which is awesome. We're here with friends Mark and Carol from RV Camping Ontario. And here's our trailer there, and they have an Imagine as well. Definitely follow these guys on YouTube. RV Camping Ontario. It's got lots of great videos up there, so certainly learn a lot. I know I did. So we're here for a nice fun weekend, and last night was a lot of fun. Got here in the dark, so we didn't set anything up video wise, so here we are now. So we have some other friends up here too that I worked with. We're going to try and find them later. Here's a little view of the lake. It's a bit windy, not too bad. It's probably about 5 degrees Celsius right now, so a little chilly, but hey, it's fall. Beautiful. So we're just taking the dogs for a walk. Just gonna try and find friends of ours. They're on another site. Nice morning here. Probably warming up a little bit now. Maybe it's getting close to 10 degrees, but that's the fall, so it's actually really refreshing, so it's nice. Right there is a nice trailer. Wow. Pretty nice. There's Heather looking a bit cold. Are you cold? Yeah, a little windy. That's alright. Heat's in the exercise. Alright, we'll keep moving. We're on a bit of a trail. Lots of sights around. Give you a little pan what's going on, front and back. So last night it rained all night, so these paths here are a little wet, but the rest of the weekend's supposed to be dry. There we go, a little singing from Heather. So keeping it simple for this lunch, just doing some stag chili out of a can, which is not the norm for us, but hey, it's chilly out, so why not have some chili? There's Heather working hard, camping hard, and working hard. You're doing good. You're just missing a drink.
While I'm working?
Yeah. So Mark's going to be cooking some lobster over the open fire. He's got it going here pretty good.
Oh,
It's getting the lobster ready. Others on guard with the fire. Trying to keep warm because it is a bit chilly. Here's Mark's prep for the lobsters. Looking good.
Show the lobsters.
Yeah, let's have a look at the lobster. There they are.
There's Anthony's.
Yeah, that's mine. Look, he's looking right at me. Yeah, looking good. Awesome. Yeah, now he's gonna slap chop the you-know-what out of that garlic.
Slappy chop.
Look at that technique. Perfect. Getting the cast iron pots hot for the lobster. Mark's doing an amazing job getting everything ready. Some more prep going on.
Butter.
Got some butter.
Gotta have the butter.
Gotta have the butter for the lobster. No.
Garlic and shallots going in the pan. Save this for the shrimp and the blackstone.
So the lobster's prepped. Gonna be going on the cast iron pots very soon. There's the chef at work right there. Keeping it real.
Okay, so we're gonna throw some salt and some pepper in there.
Alright, the shrimp has been served, the lobster's been served.
Shrimp has shrimp's about to be served.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Much appreciated. Sunday morning, just packing up, gonna head out here soon. We had a great weekend at Darlington Provincial Park. The weekends are coming to an end now. We're into fall, so we have next weekend we'll be up at the cottage, the family cottage, so we'll definitely do some videoing from up there for Thanksgiving weekend here in Canada. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on down the road. Cheers.